Custom ringtones on iPhone, how to set up 2025. In this video, what we're going to be doing is we're going to be talking about custom ringtones and how you're going to be setting these up for yourself in the easiest way. So to set up custom ringtones, what you're going to be doing is, first of all, you're going to make sure that you have an updated version of the iOS because you are going to need GarageBand for this. Now, if you don't have GarageBand, you will not be able to set a custom ringtone, so do make sure to have that. Now, I do have an outdated iOS, so I won't be able to show you how you're going to add it in GarageBand. But basically, if you don't have GarageBand, go over to your App Store, go over and search up GarageBand right here. And once we search up GarageBand, as you can see, it's going to show itself over here. Simply go ahead and download it. As you can see, it requires iOS 18 or later, so do make sure you do have that. And once you've downloaded that, you're also going to want to make sure to download Music Cutter, okay? And you can find Music Cutter on the App Store as well. Simply go over to search, write in Music Cutter. And once you add in Music Cutter, as you can see, it's going to open up this over here. So simply download this application. And what this does, it allows you to cut any snippet of a song that you want to make your custom ringtone, your custom alarm, whatever you want, okay? So what we're going to do is we're going to go over to our Music Cutter. And once you have come over to the Music Cutter, simply over here, what you're going to be doing is, first of all, you're going to add music, okay? So to add music, what you're going to be doing is you're going to go over to your files. And once you're here in your files, let's say I want to add something like this, okay? So once this is in, you're going to click over here and you are going to click on Make Ringtone. Now it says Ringtone Maker audio files duration must be less than 30 seconds. So you're going to go ahead and merge it and make a proper audio of the section you want. So let's say I want this only.
Confidence is leaving me on my own. No one can save me and you.
So let's say I want this part, right? Now I'm going to click on Save and let's give it a name, Ringtone. Okay, we're going to click on OK. And now it says you have created a new ringtone. Go to your ringtone screen. Now from here, what you're going to be doing is you're going to click over here and you're going to click on Save to Files. Now, once you save to files, what happens from here is you're going to go over to your basic section of GarageBand, choose your files, choose the custom ringtone you just created, add it to your phone, and that is pretty much about it. That is how you can set custom ringtones for yourself in the easiest way. Thank you for watching till the end, and I'm going to be seeing all of you in the next video. Have a great day. Goodbye.